Spookfish has grown tremendously over the last couple of years especially. Our focus is very much 100% inline inspection. We're very glad that customers understand quality control and they want 100% quality control to be ensured. We are already there in Europe. We now have an office in Netherlands and USA, and also UK has been one of our hubs. Apart from just the pharmaceutical market, our technologies are also helping food and beverages. Our customer service and support is prime importance right now to make sure, but it's also about bringing people into science.
I think they are a very innovative company, and they have developed products themselves using their own R&D.
The induction sewing machine is a very specific and useful machine.
It is really exciting what they are doing in this vision space.
Everything is possible, and that is what I can see in Spookfish.
It's been a very good interactions and a good experience with them.
They are very bright future, so more of the Indian pharmaceuticals and abroad need such machines.
They are very innovative, very customized. They have, if you really tell the problem properly, they could able to help you.